Very good evening, everyone.
Hi, very good evening, sir. How are you?
I'm
Very
good.
good
I'm
evening,
good.
sir.
Very good evening.
Sir, without wasting time, we can start the session. You can just give the recap for the day zero session, right? And then we can start
Yes,
with the day one. Thank
yes,
you.
yes, yes. Thank you so much, Sachin. Thank you so much. So, guys, welcome to the class. Let me tell about myself. I hope few of you already joined in the first demo. That was day zero class. This is day one. You can consider like officially we'll be starting our session from today. Okay. And but no issue. If you have any query, any question, you may ask. No issue at all. So guys, my name is Amit and I am having more than 10 years of experience. I will say 10 years. There are very much more than that, but yeah, 10 years I can consider technical experience I have. And my expertise in Cisco, Fortinet, Palo Alto, and many more, like Juniper also one of them. Yes, I usually train people on security track as well as routing and switching sometimes. Okay, but mainly on the security. Security is my favorite area. So that was very brief about me. Let me start the session. Before starting the session, I just request everyone, if you guys have any question, you can shoot. Yeah, come on, guys. Over to you all. No questions, right? You can also write question in the chat. I or someone from the management will answer.
So, sir, I have one question. Can I ask?
Yes, already. Go ahead.
Yeah, sir. So, I just wanted to understand how deeply we are going to demonstrate or learn this firewall technology, including Fortinet and Palo Alto, specific to the product features. Because as I am working as a pre-sales consultant and having a quite good experience on endpoint technologies, data security technologies, but firewall, which is something I am familiar conceptually, but not practically.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's why I'm asking.
That's fine. Good. By the way, good question. This is some question that you are asking here and that we actually give once we start demonstrating. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
let me tell you like my screen is through everyone.
Yeah, it is visible, sir.
Okay. So very nice idea I will give you guys. Just let me open that topology that I want to show here. So this one will be that one. You see guys. I hope everyone is able to understand the topology. Let me give you a little bit idea about this guys. So this complete area I am considering as inside, where most probably your working employees sit. Okay. You simply can say, let's suppose here sales team is sitting inside the company. Here is marketing, HR, accounts, and many more. Like this is especially our company production network. You can say production floor. Okay. Inside the company, there is the zoning has been accomplished, like zoning has been done. And this one, they are considering as demilitarized zone where your servers are installed. Okay. Like your servers are there available, public server, private server, all the servers are there. If somebody from internet wants to come to your public server, they can come through this link. And this one is here acting like WAN. You guys are pretty much aware. This one you can say LAN as inside, WAN as outside. And
Sir, your mic is mute, I think, sir. Can you unmute, please?
Yeah,
Yeah, sir.
it's good now.
Yes, yes.
Who has that access to mute my mic? Let me see. Okay, sorry, guys. For more time, it was on mute or just for a few seconds?
For the second, sir.
Okay, no issue, no issue. Guys, see, I think not remember the name. Who asked that question before some time? Like about the deep level.
Ramesh.
Yeah,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Me.
Okay, see,
Rakesh Jadhav.
yes, Rakesh, thank you. So let's suppose this is your company. You can say LAN edge router. Okay,
Okay.
might be here one switch will be connected. Yes, another
Yes.
switch is connected here, and on these switches might be there are multiple VLANs also. Let's suppose VLAN 10 here is VLAN 20 is here. Okay, and here let's suppose VLAN 30, VLAN 40. Now these people needs to talk with each other, so they need routing, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, good. These people wants to go on internet. They will go through router, then after that router, then firewall, then they will pass firewall. Yes. So two
Yes.
types, right? One, they want to do communication inside the company, like people want to talk with the people they are inside the company, or inside user wants to go on internet. Two main scenarios, right? So most probably your firewall is not going to take care for this part where your user is trying to talk with internal user internally. This particular thing will rarely reach to firewall to give any decision on, right? Agree? For that you need
Yes.
multi-layer switch, or you need some router on a stick that will help them to talk with each other. That is known as inter-VLAN routing.
Yes.
That is
Yes.
good so far, yeah. But no need to worry. When I will tell you what are the things once they are doing inter-VLAN routing, they do follow. What is source IP, like IP and MAC level forwarding. I also will tell you guys. Even that is not the core concept of your firewall, but yes, that is the core concept of your routing and switching. Even I will tell you why I'm telling you, so that once I'm telling you something related firewalling, you should be getting that 100%. So before giving you
Definitely, sir.
100%, I want to let you guys even understand routing and switching, not at only the touching level, no, at deep level, guys. And you guys will say, yes, this is literally more than I was knowing about routing and switching before joining the class. And anyhow, that demonstration you guys are going to see today only. Okay. So the part will be starting today. With me, everyone, so far good? So like I said, inside your firewalling event, whatever you are going to see, that is mainly our training is more focused on NSC4, NSC7 also, some few parts from NSC5 as well. Okay. But mainly NSC4 plus SD-WAN plus Forti Manager is this you can consider, or you can expect from this training that you are right now. Fortinet, in the context of Fortinet, I'm saying.
Okay, sir.
Now coming to the main point. If I will say NSC4 is just like CCNP, guys. In Cisco you see, na? So CCNP of any track, it gives you something like you can say everything inside that particular technology. CCNP will give you quick overview or just 30% overview of all the technologies. In the same way, NSC4 will tell you all the things that is available inside FortiGate firewall, but not everything in deep level. But what it will give you in deep level, let me tell you. First, routing. It will tell you how to do routing on firewall. Okay. How to do inter-VLAN routing on the firewall. Like how you can make your firewall interface as a trunk. How can you deploy your firewall in switch mode? Okay. I am telling you the syllabus, guys. 4. Like not very technical, but practical approach I am following here so that you will have better idea. Switch mode means transparent, we say here. Excuse me for the handwriting, guys. Sorry. Okay. If I'm speaking then typing, I think you'll be understanding. But later on, I don't think so. You will be able to guess. Okay. Once that is net is the very important thing that we see inside the companies. Net also you'll be saying source net and destination net both. Source net once users are going and trying to go on internet, private IP will be translated into public IP, and destination net once anybody on the internet want to access your publicly available server. Very nice example of that is web server. Multiple companies are there, they have their web server inside their demilitarized zone, and they give access all of the public user to access them, their web server, and believe me, they have private IP on these servers. So if they have private IP on these servers, anyhow that public user will try to come on the public IP, and that public IP further will be translated to this private IP, and that netting we call as destination net. That also you will see. Okay. Like you have some server inside your company, you want to give access to all the internet user. There you will we need actually destination net as a concept. We are going to see that and in very much detail. Nothing will be touched and come back. No. If you want to see the demo, further demos, you can literally go on our YouTube channel and you can watch there. I think more than, yes, sir, 10 plus hours of one video is there available where you can have better idea.
Yes, yes, we have on our YouTube channel.
Yes, correct. And there are multiple classes also, like high availability class is available on YouTube. As per my request, I requested management to upload that, and they are very much humble. They uploaded literally, guys, and that is the most important concept inside firewall. Okay. Yeah, there are multiple things available there. You can see from there as well if any question. But yeah, I'm here live to give you your questions answer. And once all these parts are done, very important concept is VPN. That you will be saying in very, very much detail. I will not only tell you VPN. Let me give you one topology, guys. Then you will under. Let me show you one topology I have that related that VPN by the way. Are you able to see this particular topology, everyone? Just confirm once.
Yeah.
Okay. You see what you are going to see inside VPN. This is FortiGate firewall. This is FortiGate firewall. Let's suppose you want to encrypt traffic once these people are talking with each other here. This LAN of your site 2, this LAN of your headquarter. If these people, let me mark them in different color. Once these people wants to talk with themselves, then they want to leverage this firewall, and this will make a tunnel that will be virtual private network. Yes. And that traffic will pass through this tunnel to reach here. Understood? So this VPN we are going to see as VPN between firewall to firewall. That will be Fortinet firewall to Fortinet firewall. This is scenario number 1. This is one example you will see. And another VPN I will set up here. Like, see guys, no one is going to tell you more than that. Yes, they will show you only the VPN, how to configure VPN on Fortinet firewall. That's it. But no one is going to tell you how to configure VPN between FortiGate firewall and other vendor. Let's suppose Cisco. You are not going to say anywhere that I'm going to tell you. That will be between Fortinet and Cisco. Yeah, they are not pretty much same to same. They are totally different, right? Their functionality, their you can say feature availability, their documentation, they are totally different. By the way, here we need to configure our VPN using manual, like custom template. Yeah. If you are coming directly from Cisco background, for you this is easy to configure. But the person who is not coming from the Cisco background and he is here in the training of Fortinet, believe me, the person will struggle more than 100 times, even not the VPN is not going to come up. Yeah, but that you are going to see free here. Okay. Okay, this is two scenario. And third one, this is directly you are terminating your VPN at the edge firewall, right? But what about if you want to configure another VPN that is between this headquarter and this site too? If you guys see here, all the people are behind the firewall. Definitely, if the traffic will go, this is overlay, right? Agree, guys? This is overlay. But what is underlay? Underlay is like this, right? Your traffic will literally go like this, then here, then here, then here, all the way it will reach here, right? If this is underlay is going through your firewall, it means your firewall will be playing some game in the middle. Yes, no? Agree? Any traffic will pass through your firewall will take action on that, right? So in that case, how many VPN you have seen? Between Fortinet to Fortinet, between Fortinet to Cisco. And third one is once firewall behind sites configuring VPN. This is where your real skill requires, guys. Yes, Rakesh, with me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Here your
Understood, sir.
real skills, here your real skills requires, till the time you don't know how your firewall behaves, you're not going to get it a success. Yeah.
I have a one question.
Yes.
Suppose might be a scenario that with the portable device they need to connect to a VPN. Some kind of sales executive have their application which connect to the head office through a VPN, but that particular VPN is through might be a cellular 4G or 5G SIM or any other kind of wireless connectivity at a hotel or any other locations. So at that point of time, how is it work? Is it in the same scenario or something else?
No. It's totally different, man. You are they see, guys. Once we talk about VPNs, we have two type of VPN. One is site to site. Site to site means, let's see, this is your site, right? Headquarter. Getting me? And there is another site that is
Yes.
your site 2. If you will set up VPN for these people, that is known as site to site VPN. But in the case somebody is sitting on internet or working from home, that individual user, he wants to access some resources inside the company, you want to leverage all the resources services to this gentleman. For that you are setting some VPN tunnel. That one is known as remote access VPN. Okay. So for this remote access VPN, this gentleman should have one client installed on his laptop or desktop. It does not matter how he is connected with the internet, doesn't matter. He just need to have that client VPN software installed on his laptop. Okay. And he'll be initiating from there, and the tunnel will be made like user to machine. Okay. You can say firewall, let's suppose he's setting tunnel with here through internet. Okay. And thanks to this software, this VPN we call as user to machine, and the site to site VPN is that is between your firewall to firewall, right? Or some device to device. But once user is setting VPN with machine, that VPN we call as remote access. With me?
Yeah, got it.
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Not only this, guys, let me give you another flavor of the VPN. These are the not only two VPN that you will understand here. This is complete pack, man. Okay. And I think a few of you already have gone through with my other sessions here. If no, then anyone here who attended already my 1-2 sessions in any other class, or
Yes,
only
sir.
the Naveen?
Yes,
You
yes.
you guys can ask him. He'll be telling about my explanation and other things very well. Like he is not our promoter here. Don't worry, guys. Okay, not in that manner. When you join, you come and you already automatically you will realize that. Okay, side to side VPN, remote access VPN, and one very good VPN that Fortinet offers, that is known as Auto Discovery VPN, guys. ADVPN. Very famous. Just like Cisco has its own DM VPN. Have heard, guys? Dynamic multi-point virtual private network in Cisco. In the same manner, it has auto discovery virtual private network that pretty much works similar to DM VPN, but the concept is totally different than this. Yeah. Requirement, they are fulfilling the same, but the working of Fortinet is pretty much easy than DM VPN. Yeah. Who is coming from Cisco, they will be getting this context 100%. Okay. Now, point is, guys, why we need ADVPN? So far, we have talked about only LAN, right? Like network, private users. Yes, no? Private network we have talked so far. Once we are talking about VPN. Why you are setting VPN? So that your private network can do communication. Why you are talking VPN? We are configuring VPN. We are creating virtual private network. Yes? But what about the wide area network, guys? What about the wide area network? Let's suppose this is your headquarter, this is your site 2, this is your site 3, and they all are connected using some internet in between. Yes, no? See?
Oh my God.
Hello.
How good you can control them? If let's suppose site 2 wants to talk with headquarter and site 3 wants to talk with headquarter. In that case, we have ADVPN.
Hello.
Okay. Yes. Hi. Yes, please. Anybody have any question?
Sir,
Yeah,
sir,
Rahul.
Rahul this side.
Yes, Rahul.
Sir, I just want to know, sir, sir, do we get the troubleshoot related uh, things? Actually, the production get firewall
Many.
internet got
Yes.
down or site was phase one down. Do we get these types of troubleshoot?
Guys, see, let me tell you. Every class you are going to see in the mode of T-shoot only. Okay. This particular design is already the standard as per the most of the companies. They are little bit big in size. You will see this type of design already. So first of all, they are already relevant to that industry. And second, troubleshooting part. If you are coming with this, yeah, like see if this there was one tunnel made like this and phase 1 is down. Okay, we do not jump directly to do make that particular phase down, no. But if you are saying we can make that down and we can then t-shoot, that's okay. But you can also come with the real time scenario with your own one. Okay, but I can give you all the idea like why phase 1 is down. Okay, in that context, before going on all these things that I just told you guys, site to site, remote access, ADVPN, we will be understanding the theory behind. What is theory? Inside IPsec, we have two phases, right? Phase 1 and phase 2. Agree, everyone? What is phase
Yes.
1? What is phase 2? And why they are required? How to set up all those things? What are the minimum requirements? Those all the things we will be discussing. We'll be practicing that. Then we'll be jumping on that particular part. Like before going on this topology that you are saying, we will have at least 3 classes on theory. Then we will be understanding the theory, supporting labs, then we will be coming to this particular topology, not directly on this topology. Is that making sense now, Rahul?
Sir,
So like if you
one
talk
one
about
Yes,
small
sir.
T-shirt,
question.
yeah,
Yeah, sir, when we say we have a three types of VPN, one is like side to side, second one is remote client to internal resources, and third one is ADVPN. So
hmm.
all these three types of VPN works on IPsec or GRE. So
Good question. Since you are using firewall, they all will work IPsec. Okay. But if you take
okay,
example of, let's suppose you have some router. Listen me, let's suppose you have some router, and let's take this headquarter and this side 3, and you are setting VPN between them. Guys, you will have option to see the GRE as well. And believe me, I will first of all, I will show you the GRE as a VPN. Then we'll be going one step at a time. Yeah. By the way, I have a question, and that will answer your question completely. Guys, tell me, what do you understand from VPN? What is VPN?
VPN is just like a tunnel creating over a public internet to get the remote access in a secured way.
Good. Okay. That is correct. Anyone else want to add? Anyone else? No? See. Guys, is this network is private or public?
private.
Private. Good. This is your network behind headquarter. And here is one another network. Is this network private or public?
Private.
Good. Now let's suppose this gentleman sitting here, they part of the, let's suppose here is one PC in this network that has IP of 10.1.1.1. Okay. It wants to talk with this gentleman. 10.2.2.1. Now tell me how the communication will happen. Is
Sir,
this a case?
private to private using public, we can do.
Yeah, correct. Who is saying that? Naveen?
Yes, sir.
Man, you got it. You are coming from all those classes. Okay, good. Yes. Okay. So private is private, and private you want to create communication between, right? Now point is how the communication will work. Definitely.
What happened? The FortiGate router will connect to another FortiGate router through a public IP, and then they will share they will start communicate with some protocol through which they can understand the communication between themselves, but rest of the part which are not a member of those or not comes under those firewalls will not able to decrypt or understand what the communication is going on.
Like you are saying, they will create some direct connection between them, right? And that particular connection will be leveraged to let these people talk with each other in the encrypted manner, right?
Yes.
That is what you are trying to say. Okay, thank you. Now point is, guys, see why we need VPN, by the way, here. If the private network want to talk with private network, what is the issue?
What happened? Suppose if they want to communicate with each other, they need a dedicated line. That is a lease line, which is a very costly one. That might not be feasible for some organization. So to get this advantage of getting connected the remote locations as a private line, they use this kind of technology, that is VPN, so that they communicate with each other as a private network over a public network.
You're right. You're
Sir,
right.
if then
Yeah, go ahead. Who is this? Yeah, go ahead.
sir. No, sir. If the location is same, So we can use private to private, but if the location is different, means we should use VPN, sir.
Yeah. But my again question is same. There are two types of IPs, right? Mainly, if you talk about the costing, one is free,
Private and public.
one is paid, right?
Private is free. Yeah, public is paid.
Exactly. And we have private here and private here. What is the difference in both, guys? Don't mind, guys. Just asking. This is not routable on internet, right?
Yes, yes. Private is
Yes.
not routable on internet.
Okay, good. So let's suppose even if you are trying to go on internet, will your internet router will deny you to go on somewhere else? No, it will never deny. Why? Because your internet routers never will check your source IP. They will check what? They will check your destination IP. Yes, no? Agree?
Yes.
Any router by default never check your source IP. Even internet
Yes,
routers
yes.
are not going to do so. And that is one drawback also that you'll be seeing inside the class. Don't worry. Not especially in Fortinet, but someone here from CCNP security or something, CCI security batch. If you are enrolling in that, then you are going to see that particular feature as well, where you can check the source IP also and can stop such attacks. Okay. Now,
But
point
sir,
is, guys.
that's what for firewall we are placing in, right, between source and router, so that firewall can check the source IP and deny if that request is not legitimate.
You are right. You are right. But your even this firewall is also not going to do so. Okay. Why?
Okay.
Let me give you an idea. Let's suppose you have here server. Okay. With me. Now, what is happening?
Yeah.
Once traffic will come from here and it is trying to go there, then what IP you will filter here? If that IP is from internet, is there any possibility to filter the IP? No, right? You
No,
will
it
allow
will
that
be.
traffic for everyone on the internet. Yes, no?
Yes.
That's where this issue comes in the picture, man.
Okay.
Okay. That
Okay.
gentleman can ping that, you can say spoofing any IP and changing that. Even that gentleman can use your own IP, like your company IP, right? And they can
Okay.
attack. And believe me, your system will be thinking, hey, this is something legitimate one, but no. For that, we have some options available that we can leverage and we can stop that. No worries. But, let's jump to the main topic. Okay, sorry. But yes, that was also important to answer. Now see, because that will go, answer is like, if no time is there, once your internet router is going to check where you want to, like what is the source IP you are bringing with yourself, but it will see what? It will see the destination IP. But issue is here, your source IP and destination IP both are private, right? Yeah, agree? So where the issue will come in the picture, once your internet router will see that, oh, private, you want to go on private network, deny. Why? Because these IPs are free and not routable on internet. So this was the real issue actually, guys. Otherwise, we people are, we humans are very, very much, cost saving people. You're not going to use any VPN and other technologies. Believe me. If the you guys are with me,
Yes, sir.
because internet will not allow you to go, that's why you are trying to some other way around and you are giving that in access. But point is, why we need, once you want to let them talk with each other, you will be doing what? You will be creating another network that again will be only private network. Like this private network will go to another private network, this private network will connect that to another private, like this way the communication is happening. And that particular private network that you are creating, that will be virtually, right? Virtual private
Yes.
network you will create. And how you will create? You will use that particular virtual private network creation part, some public IP. That will be your underlay. With me?
Yes.
Someone answered what is VPN? Correctly answered. Connecting multiple private networks using public network. Yeah, that is correct. But believe me, guys, again, another question. Naveen, you will not answer. What is the language of internet, guys? Most probably IP, right? Correct?
Yes.
IP is the
Yes, sir.
language that internet.
Yes.
And IP itself is secure or not secure? Tell me. Simply, I'm
I
asking.
think so. Not
IP
secured.
is not secure, sir, compared to firewall.
No, no, I'm simply asking, internet is secured or not?
Not secured.
Untrusted, right? We have
Yes.
studied in our computer books, I remember.
Yes.
They
Yes.
say this is untrusted, this is trusted. LAN is trusted, WAN is untrusted, right? They keep saying that. But why they say? Because they use IP. IP is not secure in itself. And once we talk about VPN, VPN, guys, does not require any security. Believe me. VPN doesn't mean security. VPN means just connecting your sites, private sites, taking access of, like taking help of internet. That's it. Or taking help of some other public resources. Once your two private networks are connected, that is VPN in short. But is there any such thing is involved that is known as security? No, no, no such thing. Like IP is not secure, everything will go in this particular communication will be in the plain text. That even can deploy in your company, guys. That works. Believe me. I've already tried. Definitely, that is a technology. Everyone tried here who has more than 10, 5 and 10 years of experience. But to make that particular plain text into unreadable format, we actually go and secure our IP. Then IPsec comes in the picture. IPsec means secure. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
That is where your VPN comes with IPsec. Once you talk about, will I be showing you GRE first or not? Yes, guys, VPN means GRE, like not only GRE, VPN without encryption, we call as GRE. That is a very old one. We don't use nowadays because of the size part. It takes unnecessary. It just, it store multiple, KBs, or you can say bytes once it is sending the traffic through. Once VPN is there established, because of the unnecessary bandwidth consumption, we don't use GRE. We directly started using IPsec. And this particular firewall is using IPsec.
Sir,
Is your
what
question
kind of?
answered?
Yes, definitely, sir. Now, concept is clear because at the board side, we are using IP addresses for the
Mhm.
communication, and that is why the communication is not secured. But we implemented a security on that IP addresses. That's why we called it as a VPN with IPsec. But now I
Yes.
wanted to understand what kind of security parameter we are applying on this so that it is called as a IP security.
Yes. To secure the IP, we have actually main player is the key, guys. That key you give, okay? Let me tell you. So actually for that, we actually need these three things mainly. Key, hashing algorithm. Have listened about that, right, guys? And
Yes, sir.
this is first. Why it's not, it's behaving little bit weird, guys. But one sec, guys. Huh. It needs fuel. Sorry. Okay. Now it should behave good. So to secure your IP and making this IPsec, guys, we have actually some mechanism that we use. That is, we actually set key. We use some hashing algorithm. Above it, we use also encryption algorithm. With me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
That anyhow, I will tell you guys theory of this. Okay. Key, hashing algorithm and encryption algorithm. So hashing algorithm and encryption algorithm, will not be making any sense till the time your key is not strong. Okay, key should be strong. Understanding? So for that reason, so that your key should be strong and key should not be known to others like hackers, we use phase 1 inside our communication, like our setup. Why we use phase 1? So that we can create a tunnel. And guys, believe me, you will be seeing this. You, for creating a tunnel, we need these three things: key, encryption, and hashing. Okay. Once you are fulfilling these three requirements, your tunnel can come up. So phase 1 is there especially for creating a tunnel, and that tunnel will be created just because of the key exchange. Okay. And that key exchange through that first tunnel that was made in phase 1, that key will be used once the IPsec tunnel will be created. IPsec means, let's suppose, let me show you here by giving you proper demonstration. Let's suppose this person wants to talk with this person, and for that you created VPN. Who is sending that particular thing in secure manner? Answer is your IPsec, right? And what is the
Yes.
protocol that works for securing that? That protocol is known as ESP, guys. ESP is a protocol. That protocol number is 50. You can search on Globe, don't worry. This protocol actually takes care for securing your IP. Good. Just like ping uses ICMP in backend, right? In the same way, IPsec used in backend as ESP. There is another also, but ESP is the most popular one. With me? Good. So what ESP does? ESP use key, hash, and encryption. Once your real user will send any data, this gentleman here will put these things on it to secure the data, and will go at this end, and things was put there that will be removed and will be encrypted and sent to this user, and the vice versa. Are you getting it now?
Yes.
Yeah. Top level view I'm giving you, but once we'll be explaining you now, you will be getting more than right now you are understanding. That is my promise. Any other question, guys? So far not started our class, just demonstration has been done. Demo. No issue.
Sir,
I'm
what
open.
you're discussing right now and in further classes as well, is it the real time ones or just theory based?
No, I'm not getting, sorry. Can you come again, please?
Wha- Whatever the classes we are going to discuss in the future,
Hmm.
so those topics will be in the real time, like when we are going to the job, the same theories or the same methodologies will apply, or it is just
Yes.
okay.
Yeah. In industry best practice only I will show you.
Yes,
Okay.
obviously.
Nothing fluffy. Okay. Like, yeah, I'm telling you just to sake for syllabus point. No. In
Okay.
syllabus, there are not multiple parts included. Even syllabus doesn't include so many things. Your class will be anyhow, it will go 50 plus hours. Believe me. Why? But the syllabus, if you go, they will cover everything inside 30 hours.
Okay.
But why it is going 50 plus hours? Because we will not be going very fast mode. Okay. We will be seeing all the things from scratch, and we'll be seeing theory. Then we'll go for lab first. And also you guys will get leverage of installation of your lab, as well as lab access is from our end 24/7. Okay.
Okay.
So that we encourage our students to do lab, so that they can be up to date, and in the parallel mode, in the same time, once your trainer is explaining something, they will be getting it 100%. Once you will be doing your lab, you will be understanding the concept, right? This is the method. Learn by doing. Yeah, I'll be demonstrating in the class, and you'll be doing in your free time.
Okay, sir. Sir, is there any possibility can you share the syllabus? So,
Syllabus will be shared by management to you very soon. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
okay.
Ashray, we will share you the brochure, okay? Yeah, no
Thank you,
issue.
sir. Thank you. Thank you.
No issues.
Uh,
Guys, anybody else have any question? Please
Yeah,
ask.
I
No
have
issue.
one query. Is there any kind of mechanism of high availability through VPN? Means in VPN itself, there any high availability possibilities there? Suppose in any one of the router goes well, the link won't be hampered.
Mm-hmm. You are saying, can we make just counter question I have? Clear me, huh?
Yeah.
You are saying, can we set up more than one tunnel? What is
Yes.
that? More than one
Yes.
tunnel through one
Yeah, more
side?
than one tunnel.
Let's suppose you have one link going and you have another link going. You want to set up two tunnel, right? If
Yes.
this one is down, this one should come up. Yeah. You are saying
Yes.
that? Yeah,
Yeah,
that is possible. That is possible. Yeah.
Okay. And
We
so this means
go ahead.
this means including high availability, we may have achieved the load balancing also.
No, this is actually not high availability that you are saying. High availability is something else, but yes, redundant VPN tunnels we can set up. Yeah, load balancing, if you say, yes, you can have. That is totally depend on your routing mechanism. Okay.
Okay.
How you are using routing engine of this firewall. Understanding. Let's suppose you want to go 10.2.2.0 network, then you will use first tunnel. And once you are going 10.20.20 network, you are using second tunnel. That is totally on your routing. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But through this, we can balance the network bandwidth.
Exactly. You can. That is on you. Totally.
Got it. Got my answer.
Yeah. Thank you so much. But by the way, this was very intelligent question. Good job. But this we do not see inside the. That is very rare scenario that you are asking. Okay. Like that part they do most probably using ADVPN. Okay. In the side to side, they rarely do that particular type. What they do, let's suppose you have multiple links here.
Okay.
So they use SD-WAN, and with SD-WAN they configure ADVPN.
Okay.
And that does automatically in backend. Even we don't need to do any routing implementation or something changes in routing. This part will be taking care of everything. That you will see in the class. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Amit sir, I have a question regarding some penetration later. Because some company required for that as a security level. You know that, but some is a cyber security related. It's how to environment is which is completely secure for like suppose that any company is coming for that, like checking whether penetration like HTTPS or TLS 1.2, 1.3, some vulnerability related. So major part is how to control for that issues or related.
Yes, how to make our infrastructure security proof, right?
Yeah, vulnerability related. Basically, you know that switch side and network side and firewall side.
I will keep telling you. I will keep telling you throughout the class, okay, which is the important, which you should take care. But believe me, for doing all these things, you should have good level of understanding of routers, switches, and many more devices that is deployed inside your company. Once you know how they work, then you can see what are the drawback in those devices. And I'll be keep highlighting once you will be in the class. Don't worry. Okay, these are the vulnerabilities. Just like you are doing routing. Routing has vulnerability, right? You are doing switching. That has also vulnerability. Yes, no? Inside especially your trunk, actually, there is big vulnerability. You guys.
I think someone is unmute and there is a lot of background noise.
That buddy wants us to listen them. Who is that?
Naveen, kindly mute yourself, please.
Hey, Naveen, your mic is on, man. Can you please? Yeah.
Yeah, Amit sir, you are having admin access. You can mute if somebody is, like not asking question. You can mute himself.
Yeah, sure. So, guys, if any other question, I will take one question. Please ask.
Banu here. Is SSL VPN comes under remote access VPN?
Oh, so yeah, a very good question, by the way. We rarely use SSL VPN nowadays. Okay. By the way, SSL is already deprecated, right?
Yes,
That
I
VPN.
heard the term SSL VPN
Yeah,
in.
but this is very famous actually. SSL till time we use a TLS but call as SSL, right? Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling now. Most of the cases, 1.3 version their TLS they are using
Yeah.
in
Yes. Yes.
secure
Yes.
level. Yeah.
Exactly. So once we say SSL or TLS VPN, we more talk about web-based VPN. Okay, web VPN in short. That is also rare nowadays, guys. The latest one is replaced by remote access. There you, let's suppose here is one user and he has, let's suppose you are at home working from home. You will have some, you will not use web browser to connect it with your company resources. No, you will use some client VPN software. Okay. So that totally will become remote access. So we do not use this, but in backend even that particular software is using TLS tunneling mechanism to send you all the things through that tunnel. Understanding, guys?
Like a private connection, right?
Yeah.
I did
Yes.
not get you what you said. Someone said something in between.
Yes, yes. I'm telling like a private connection.
Yes,
The more
correct. You're right. Good. So guys, will we sum up for the day and we'll hope you guys to see in the next class. See you guys then.
Okay.
Next
Thank you,
class will
sir.
be Monday or tomorrow, sir.
Oh, sorry. Okay, that Monday most probably. So sorry, guys. I keep working on every day, na, so just I forget sometime. Monday.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sir. No issue.
Monday will be next fun day, guys. Okay, and you will see all these things in implementation. Thank you. And I'm happy to see you,
Sure, sir.
Naveen, in the
Thank you so
class.
much.
Sir, this time I need to
Thank you, sir.
uh,
Thank you so
learn
much,
many things,
guys.
sir.
Yes, Naveen. Now this time you take all the things and do not leave class in between. Okay.
Okay, 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 okay. Surely, sir. Due to health
Yeah.
issue, I lived, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Good
Thank you,
explanation.
guys. Thank you for
Time is
joining the session today. I hope you enjoyed and session was informative today. And let's meet, on Monday, same time, 9 p.m. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, Sachin.
Thank you,
Thank
Amit
you. Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Thank
Have
you,
a good
sir.
day, everyone. Good
Good
night,
night,
everyone.
sir.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.